All right, we are 11 days and counting until we take off for our trip around the coast of New Brunswick. Should take us about 7 days. All the reservations are made. Hopefully everything goes smooth. If you watch my previous videos, you know I'm a planner, so I'm already starting to watch the forecast. Forecast looks pretty good, at least at takeoff anyways. Of course, we're going to hit some rain, some weather somewhere along the way, but early indications are it's going to be good. I just dropped off the bike at the dealership to have it completely gone through. Probably a new front tire, just regular service. And then again, I just have them just go through the whole thing top to bottom and make sure it's all ready for the long trip. About packing, I'll do a whole nother video on that. So I'm really looking forward to this. A few things that I remember from that first trip is just how nice all the people were and all the little villages and some of the cities, how fantastic the roads were, and of course mostly just how stunning the coastal scenery was all the way around New Brunswick. It's absolutely amazing, and a trip you have to do at some point. You'll be seeing, I think I already mentioned in one of the shorts, the longest covered bridge, the tallest lighthouse in Canada. There's some memorials I want to check out. And of course, Robin's all excited about going down around Fundy Park. So that's it. Quick little teaser. I want you to stay tuned. If you haven't already, hit subscribe. We'll be sharing as much as we can on the trip. And then, of course, I'll be putting a lot more videos together once we're back. So stay with us.